Tesla's CEO, Elon Musk, can also be said to be the king of innovation, and Tesla has dropped another bomb on us: a bicycle powered by electricity. It doesn't matter if it's directly associated with Tesla's cars or not. Tesla fans enjoy getting accessories for their electric toys, and CEO Elon Musk showed off a new cool accessory. Hence, his fans will be clamoring for it very soon. Tune in to the end of this video for more on Tesla's e-bikes, which are better than any other e-bike. The future of transportation is sure to be here, as these systems are more dependable, less polluting, quieter, and more cost-effective. Teslas are also very modern, and some of the best electric ranges and performances are found in Tesla EVs. For some trips, however, a car is simply too big and something more portable is needed, so a bicycle is all you need. Therefore, it is purposeful to bring out your Tesla Model S Plaid, as the opportunities are endless. If you'd like to ride an electric bicycle branded by Tesla, you may be in luck, as Tesla has announced such a bike, the Tesla Bee. There are also traditional bicycle manufacturers trying to catch up, as they are powered by batteries. We know, however, that Tesla is the only company capable of producing an incredible electric bike. There is a great design team at the EV maker that can attract talent from the industry, or it could acquire an electric bike company and transform it into something else. According to Tesla, the goal of the electric bike is to help humanity achieve zero-emissions mobility by transitioning from internal combustion engines. Musk's companies, regardless of whether they produce carbon emissions or not, have something in common. Its sleek design turns heads wherever it goes. Now, about the aircraft. Elon Musk's T-aircraft that changed everything has been delivered along with the electric bike. There's no way you can believe how impressive the new military T-aircraft looks. Musk has been working on it for years, and now they have revealed it to the public. Fighter jets of the future will be able to fly at incredible speeds and have weapons of unprecedented power and size. Elon Musk recently announced that SpaceX would provide the United States military a cutting-edge T-aircraft. Find out more about this groundbreaking news story with these details. He has consistently built companies that have done things we didn't even know were possible. In addition to delivering a weapon that will change warfare forever, he has now produced another cool-looking prototype military aircraft, and a vertical takeoff and landing system for an electric aircraft has been developed. Elon Musk said in October 2021 that he hoped to build a supersonic electric aircraft with vertical takeoff and landing. That's just an insane idea that he wants to create a supersonic electric plane that can take off and land vertically. Aircraft are no longer deemed feasible for permanent flights. Also, battery technology isn't even on par with jet fuel. Perhaps Musk has found a way to get around it. And as we know, earlier this year, Elon Musk's SpaceX and United Launch Alliance teamed up to develop a next-generation rocket. Now, are you excited about the Tesla helicopter? All of us have seen helicopters or choppers that seem pretty cool. And today, we want to tell you about a truly remarkable helicopter. This helicopter is special in that it looks like a toy helicopter, thanks to its unique design. Further, this is an electric helicopter made entirely by Tesla. It is faster and smarter than any conventional helicopter. Nevertheless, it was designed with efficiency and quality in mind for departments like safety, and that it allows the administration effective patrolling of the skies and ground in some cases. Moreover, it also assists in emergencies. The Tesla Model H, in other words, is what it's called, a combination of two technologies. The first is the helicopter, and the second is the drone, which contains 4 mini rotors to help stabilize and secure the flight. It takes its form mainly from biomorphic and robotic forms. Additionally, the helicopter's body is surrounded by a ribbon-like exoskeleton, which houses its rotors and provides its structure. Now, we could only see a helicopter, but if there wasn't a rotor on top, we might say that this is a mechanical shark that is predatory. Despite that, the color scheme immediately points to the Iron Man helicopter. The helicopter also serves as a hybrid concept to help us evolve from our everlasting helicopters into something more advanced and cool. And now, Elon Musk is not just into the transportation industry, but is soon to disrupt Apple. Talking about tech without mentioning the Tesla Pi phone is impossible. Periodically, Rumors surfaced on social media regarding Elon Musk's Tesla releasing its first smartphone. These discoveries are not surprising given Tesla's willingness to experiment and take on new markets. The technology industry is quite flexible, so switching from one area of interest to another is not unheard of. This is because a company, such as Tesla, which is an automaker, makes its smartphones. Yet, have you ever wondered what would happen if Tesla launched its smartphone? So, is it going to be challenging to stand out as a competitor among the giants in the industry? Or will this launch prove to be a disaster for Tesla's peers in the industry, given Tesla's impact on the electric car industry historically? Now, strong rumors suggest Tesla is developing a smartphone that has been bolstered after world-famous design studio ADR publicly revealed concept images. Tesla makes people wonder if they're going to compete with the iPhone, or if they're just going to create a completely new market segment. Meanwhile, there are no details yet about the gadget's specifications that have been released, like its processor, screen size, amount of RAM, and battery life. The device has a quad camera, a sub-screen front camera, and a special coating that changes the color of the body. Touted as the new generation of smartphones, the Tesla Model Pi could change the market in a big way. Aside from this, Musk had just launched Hypersonic Jets. Musk is known for having pioneered reusable rockets in electric cars, and his company SpaceX is developing a hydrogen-powered, zero-emission, transcontinental cargo drone that can cruise at Mach 15. SpaceX says its hyperplane will combine the technological advancements of a spacecraft with the physics of a glider, so it can deliver cargo from Europe to Australia in under 2 hours, using liquid hydrogen fuel. The hyperplane would take off from a regular airport runway and take off at supersonic speeds after flying slowly to the coast. In an interview, Musk said that the first stages of the rocket mission will be powered by a turbo-air rocket engine, a well-established technology. Once the rocket's second stage is fired, it will accelerate to supersonic speeds between Mach 13 and 15 at over 50 kilometers, 160,000 feet, where air resistance is substantially reduced. Musk explained, if you want something to move from one place to another, you need to allocate energy in several directions. Last, but definitely not least, Elon Musk just revealed the Tesla Hydrogen. Automobiles are advancing rapidly, be it fuels, batteries, or hydrogen. We can see this by looking at the effects of the body frames, the safety measures of self-driving vehicles, or the engine itself. Musk has played a huge role in the development of the automotive industry, as we can see from Tesla Motors' success. Experts believe, however, that there is something that will revolutionize the industry again, and that is hydrogen-based cars. The hydrogen-powered cars are set to revolutionize the e-car industry by taking on the role of today's electric car. Cars that burn neither fuel nor battery, but instead produce water as a byproduct. The hydrogen fuel cell is a technology that experts believe has great promise as well as great skepticism. Gas-fueled internal combustion engines are 2 to 3 times more efficient than hydrogen fuel cells. Additionally, they emit zero emissions and have few moving parts, so they are quiet and vibration-free. What can you say about this? Let us know in the comments below, and thank you for watching. If you would like to receive updates on Elon Musk and his companies, make sure you click the subscribe and bell button.